Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I'm Bimo from Help Deck. In this guide video, I'm about to simply show you how you can actually use Google image search on your iPhone or iPad. I'm basically going to show you 3 ways on how you can use the Google image search. So you want to make sure to stick with us till the end of this tutorial. But before we get started with this video, if you are new to our channel, make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further delay, let us get started with today's video. How to use Google image search on iPhone or iPad. Now you can basically use Google image search to look for images, information about pages or visually similar pages on your iPhone or iPad. You can actually search with keywords or with an image you found or with an image you have actually saved on your device. So first of all, let's simply go ahead and find an image with a Google search. So for example, I'm going to simply tap on the search box and then I'm going to simply type in a random keyword right over here. Let's say once I tap in a random keyword, let's say I want images. By default, you already do have some of the images. You could tap on view all images button right over here, or else at the top of the screen in the menu options, simply tap on the images button in order to find products based on images right over here. Now this is basically the first way on how you could actually find an image with keywords. Now if you want to actually search an image from a Google search results, for example, let's say this is the image which I want to search right over here. Now let's say this is the result which came up and I want to search this image and view more similar pictures. What I can do is on the top right, you'll be able to see this lens icon. Simply tap on this lens icon right over here and it will basically show you a list of all of the other related keywords right over here. As you can see, if I also go ahead and simply select any other photos right over here and then I tap on the lens icon on the top right, it is basically going to show me a list of similar looking results. The final thing we are going to learn is how we can actually search with a saved image in a browser. Let's say that you have a certain image on your Photos app and now you maybe actually want to search it. Now what you could basically do in order to do that is, let me just show you. I'm going to come back to the home page of Google. Once you are on the home page of Google, let's say you have a photo saved on your gallery and you want to search those images. What you could do is on the top right, again, you'll be able to see this camera icon. Simply tap on the camera icon right over here and it will show you a list of all of the images which you have stored on your device. Now what you can do is actually simply tap on any of the images right on the screen. Let me just choose a random image. Once I tap on the random image, it is actually going to take some time and it will show you a list of all other visually appealing or similar contents based on this result or based on this image. Now this is basically the way on how you could very easily use the Google image search on your iPhone or iPad or iPod or any iOS device. We hope this video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts, simply make sure to also leave them down under the comment section. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial and see you soon in our next video.